In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit hours on Fresha in this comprehensive 2025 tutorial. If you've been looking to update your business hours on Fresha, whether it's for a location change, holiday adjustments, or just streamline your schedule, you're in the right place. Let's go through each step to make sure your business reflects the correct opening and closing times for your clients. First off, we need to access the Fresha platform. You can do this either by visiting Fresha.com on your computer or by opening the Fresha app on your mobile device. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your email and password. Make sure you click on Login. A quick tip, ensure you're entering the credentials for your business account, not from the client view. This ensures you have the right permissions to edit your business details. With that out of the way, let's head over to the dashboard. Look towards the bottom left menu. Here you'll find Settings. Click on it to proceed. Depending on the version of the interface you're using, you may see either Business Info or Business Hours. Both will lead you to where we need to make changes. This section is crucial as it manages your operating hours, holidays, and special openings. So if your business scales up or down during peak seasons, you can easily adjust that here. Now that we are in the right place, let's dive into the business hours section. Here you'll notice a table presenting the days of the week. Click on the specific day you want to modify. This will allow you to set your opening time and closing time for each day. If a particular day needs to be marked as closed, you can leave the timings blank or simply toggle to closed. Being accurate here helps avoid any scheduling conflicts or confusion for your clients. After making your changes, remember to save them. It's easy to forget after making a lot of adjustments, but it's essential. Look towards the bottom of the screen and click Save or Update. Doing so ensures your newly configured working hours are immediately visible to clients trying to book services online. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your business hours are up to date and your clients can make bookings seamlessly. Keeping this information current is key to providing excellent customer service and operational transparency. If you want to make these changes frequently or adjust them according to upcoming events, simply repeat this process. Thanks for watching.